Today's project is the current River North, a Class A office building located just off of Brighton Boulevard in the RiNo district. I'm Doug Zabel, Managing Investment Partner for Schnitzer West here in Denver. The best words to describe this project are innovative, collaborative, forward-thinking in terms of how people work in the office space, and inclusive. I think one of the hallmarks of the Schnitzer West brand is the development of great rooms. We initiated this concept into all of our office buildings about 22 years ago. We want to take the greatest space in the building and provide it for all of the tenants to use. So for the first time, we will be moving the great room up to the top floor, and it will be portions of the 11th and 12th floor, creating this very dynamic 32-foot clear library or oasis for people to go work, hang out, and conduct meetings, and it will be complete with a conference center and outdoor terrace. The building will be equipped with 24/7 secured parking. All of the parking will be located within the building envelope, including some subterranean parking. Schnitzer West closed on the property in February, and since then we've had significant levels of interest in the project, not only from potential tenants, but also from capital partners and lenders. And we are significantly down the road in design with a groundbreaking scheduled for Q1 of 2020, which will be one of the fastest design processes that we've been able to achieve in Denver to date. I would say there's always challenges when you're going into a new market, but that's also what we see as the opportunity, is to develop a true Class A office building in the RiNo neighborhood, which we feel will enable tenants to make a decision to be in RiNo much easier. Because no longer will you have to sacrifice the quality of office space in order to be in that vibrant neighborhood. I think the market will be surprised by the fact that we are committed to going 100% speculative on this project. Throughout our history, that has been a hallmark of Schnitzer West investment activity within the office market, and we intend to do that in RiNo. So the building is scheduled to break ground in Q1 of 2020 and a final delivery date of Q3 2021.